Hi, I'm Aaron from Classic Vacuum, and here's how to assemble your new Riccar R27D. So we've unboxed our Riccar machine. In the box, we pulled out a wand, a tool, a handle, and a hose. So the first thing I like to do is put on the handle. On the back of your machine, there's a screw. Just remove that with a Phillips head. Once the screw's removed, you can insert this handle. Cord hook wrap is towards the back. The switches or the handle grip is towards the front. And make it good and tight. Next, we'll attach our hose. This hose has two clips. Just insert down here into this bottom area until you hear it kind of click in place. Give it a tug. So you take your wand, insert it into the handle here. There is an arrow that lines up with the quick release lock tab mechanism here. The first time it can be a little tight, but just kind of push and wiggle and it'll click into place. Finally, your dusting brush is made to attach right there on the front. Wrap up your cord. The cord has a quick release mechanism here, along with the cord wrap down there. They're both black on this model. Thank you for watching my video on how to assemble the Riccar R27D. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, call us, email us. We're happy to help, or visit us in one of our locations at North Canton and Worcester, Ohio.